Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between this Fanttik V10 Apex and the V10 Ultra. So first off, they both do a really good job of vacuuming. They're called the pivot because you can press this button and they'll pivot. But the main difference you're going to see is the Ultra comes with a charging station, but you can also charge it with USB-C. Over here on the Apex, it's USB-C only, and you don't get the wall charger. You get the cable, but you got to provide your own wall charger for it. So with this one, I love this little docking station that's going to charge it through this right here. But we have to do a few things: store it, push the end in. It can't have any attachments on, and simply set it, and it's gonna charge it. And it also stores it. We got a couple little places. This is a really nice charging stand that I think goes really, really well with this Ultra. But again, let's say I'm out somewhere, I take this with me, but then I run the battery down. I don't have my base, but I can charge it with USB-C. I don't have the charger. You know, I may have an extra phone charger that I can plug right in there, and that would work just fine. Over here though, I can only charge it with USB-C. Now again, both of them, very simple to operate. Turn it on, 2 levels of suction. This button right here is for the pivot. We got different, the attachments just slide on the front here. Let's take this, yeah, we can see. They both have 17,000 pascals of suction. So they both have the same run time. The battery in here and everything is the same. But again, and then when you're all done, you're simply gonna open this lever, everything comes out. They both have filters. Once in a while you have to clean these filters. All come apart. Mine needs cleaned right now. Let's check this one again. Press the button. Filters look to be, yeah, exact same filter. It is cleanable. And just make sure to let it dry. So we can just test it out real quick, turn it on. That's on low. Let's go to high. Had a display there that shows us the percentage of battery and what mode we were in. Both of them have the exact same display and controls. Okay, so let's clean up a mess here. Again, this is the Ultra. It's maybe a little bit lighter gray. That's on low. Look how good the suction is. And again, I love the pivot. And he's got a built-in crevice tool. Has a light. This one also has a light. Let's go up to high. Yeah. They just do a really, really good job. So I hope this comparison video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.